We'll solve this now. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? We'll put y by x is equal to v, right? Huh? So or you can write this as y is equal to vx. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, so that we get dy by dx on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have v plus x dv by dx. Okay. So let us substitute it, okay, in the given problem. Dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx, which is equal to v plus sin v. Okay. Okay, so v and v gets cancelled here. Okay, or taking v terms on one side, so this will be dv by sin v, which is equal to dx by x, or you can write as cosecant 1 by sin is cosecant v dv is equal to dx by x. Okay. Now let us integrate this. Okay. It is log of cosecant v minus what v. Okay. This. Okay. So, and the integration of 1 by x will be log x, and this is constant. Okay. Now let us take all the log terms one side. Okay, so it should be log of cosecant v minus cot v minus log x is equal to the constant, or log of cosecant v minus cot v by x, which is constant, or you can write this as if you remove the log, you can write this as 1 by x cosecant v minus cot v, which is constant. We know that v is y by x, v is y by x. Let us put that. So cosecant y by x minus cot y by x is equal to, now this 1 by x goes to the other side, so that is Cx. So this is the general solution of the given equation. Let us solve x dy by dx plus y square by x square, which is equal to 1. Or let us solve this. So we can write x dy by dx is equal to y minus y square by x square, or we can write this as dy by dx is equal to y by x minus y square by x square. So in the given question, we have this as x. Okay. So now if you take x on the other side, so it becomes y by x minus y square by x square. Okay. Now which is in the homogeneous form. So again, y is equal to vx. Okay. So again, this is dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, so on the left hand side we have v plus x dv by dx, which is equal to y by x, which is v, okay, minus this will be v square. So v and v gets cancelled. Okay, so this becomes x into dv by dx is equal to v square, or you can write minus dv by v square is equal to dx by x. Now integration of this will be 1 by v, okay, and this is log x plus the constant, or you can write as x by y is equal to log x plus c. So this is the general solution of the given equation. Okay. So let us solve this. Okay. Again, we'll write this as dy by dx is y by x log y minus log x plus 1, or we can write this as log of y by x plus 1. Again, let us take y is equal to vx, okay, and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So this is v plus x dv by dx. Now this is v into log v, right? Yeah. So and if you just multiply this, so this will be log v plus v, right? So v and v gets cancelled, so I get x dv by dx is equal to v log v, right? Or bringing back x terms and v terms one side, so 1 by log v into 1 by v dv is equal to, this would be dx by x. Now let us integrate this. Okay. So integral log v into 1 by v dv is equal to integral dx by x. And now this will be log of log v, which is equal to log x plus c. Now, if you bring down on the left hand side, so this is log of log v, and we will write as y by x minus log x is equal to constant. Or we can write as log of log y by x by x. No, we can write this here, log of x, right? Which is constant. Or finally, we can write this as log of y by x is equal to, this is 1 by x, so this will be cx. So this is the final answer. Okay? So let us solve this. Yeah. Okay. Now let us take x outside. So this is minus x outside. So this will be minus 1. And this will be y by x. And we take y common. So we will have log y minus log x. Okay? And this is x. So this is a log y minus log x. Okay? X gets cancelled. Okay? So that we have minus outside. This will be minus 1 by x into this will be log y by x, right, divided by log of y by x. Or further can simplify this. This will be minus 1 by log y by x, and taking minus inside this equation plus y by x, because log y by x and log y by x gets cancelled. So this is your dy by dx now. What we got, and then let us put y is equal to vx. Again, this is dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. That is substituted. On the left hand side, v plus x dv by dx. Okay. Now this will be minus 1 by log v plus y by x is v. So these two gets cancelled. Okay. Or x dv by dx is equal to minus 1 by log or log v d is equal minus dx by x. Okay. Now this is integral of log v dv is equal to minus integral dx by x plus c. So integral log v is v into log v minus 1. Okay. And on the right hand side, integral of dx by x will be minus log x when v is y by x. This is log y by x minus 1, which is equal to minus log x plus c. So that's all for today. Okay.